Well, on the news, we've been reporting about changes that are going to be coming to Medicaid, and many of you may be wondering what that means for your coverage. NBC5 Responds has been fielding those questions from you and taking them to the experts.
Kate Chappell is here getting some answers. I know so many people have questions because it's very confusing.
It really is, and it's only going to get more confusing. So first, it's important to understand exactly who is on Medicaid. So there are no age requirements. Medicaid eligibility is actually based on your income. Here in Illinois, Medicaid is called Health Choice Illinois for adults. For kids under the age of 19, it's called All Kids. And in Indiana, Medicaid is called Healthy Indiana Plan, or HIP, Hoosier Care Connect, and Hoosier HealthWise. So the One Big Beautiful Bill is making changes to the Medicaid program over the next few years. And there, as we've been talking about, is a lot to unpack here. So we are answering your questions one at a time. Today it's from Iris, who wrote to NBC5 Responds asking, I'm 62 and disabled. I have a walker, have multiple health problems. How will I know if I will be able to keep my Medicaid? So we took this question and others to Professor Anthony Lasasso at DePaul University. He sits on the state's Medicaid Managed Care Oversight Commission.
So disabled populations will not be affected by these changes. So this person should continue to have their Medicaid eligibility.
And does it depend on the disability?
It would be a qualified disability condition. Those aspects or those requirements are not changing as far as I'm aware in the bill.
And Professor Lasasso says up to 900,000 people here in Illinois could be impacted by these Medicaid changes.
Wow. Okay, so if someone watching right now has a Medicaid question for NBC5 Responds, how can, I know a lot of people do,
yes, they do.
How can they contact you?
You can visit NBCchicago.com/Medicaid. You see it right here on your screen, what it looks like. There's a brief form, and you can submit your question right there. You can see the form on your screen. It's very simple. It comes directly to us, and we can bring these questions to the experts and continue getting you answers. So please submit them.
Because I know a lot of people, too, wondering what other forms they may have to fill out, or if there's other requirements to make sure they get their Medicaid.
Absolutely, and we want to keep helping as many people as we can. So this form's easy. Fill it out again, NBCchicago.com/Medicaid.
Thank you, Kate.
Thank you, Kate.